It's a colorful night, got red eyes, but it's all blue.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I want to say happy Saturday. I hope you guys are having an amazing day.
Those
So in today's
colorful
video, you guys, we're
eyes,
going to be
they
doing a
don't
little bit
shine
of
like
cleaning
they
and a
used to.
living room reset. So we're in my family room and I wanted to change up some of the accessories in here. I
The
really
city
wanted
don't
to
want
make
us,
this space a
baby.
little bit more
We
warm and
want to
inviting and really try
find
to
this
connect it
place.
with all of the decor that I have going on in my living room area. So I wanted to add in a few more warmer
And
tones
if
to
I
this
would
space. So we're going to be
die
changing out some things
you
in here.
wouldn't feel
I'm
the
first starting off by
same.
removing
I
out this
won't
coffee
lie,
table and the accessories. I did purchase a new rug from Rugs
honestly,
USA
it doesn't
that I'm going
feel
to add
like
to this space that I absolutely
home,
love. I think it's going to fit the
like
whole vibe of
home,
this room and kind of connect this living space with the other areas of the
feel
home.
like home. A faded mind, so we stay
Now, I love my
blind.
sectional. I have had this sectional for probably about 4 or 5 years now. I did purchase it from Macy's. It's super soft and comfortable. I absolutely love it. So I always have to go in and do a little spot cleaning on this sofa. You can take the cushions off and wash them in the washing machine as well, but I didn't feel like doing that today, so I thought I'll just do a little spot cleaning. So what I'm using today is called Folex. It's actually a stain remover, and basically you just spray it on any spots or stains, and you're supposed to let it sit for a little bit, and then the longer you let it sit, the more the stains are easier to remove. And you don't have to really wipe it off or anything, just spray it down, and then the stains disappear basically. But some of the harder stains you would have to use a little soap and water to get those up. So I usually just go around my sofa, spray it on any spots, let it sit while I go ahead and clean the rest of the area, and then usually the spots and everything just easily come up.
No, honestly, it
So
doesn't
before I
feel like
remove this rug, I'm just going to give it a good
home,
vacuuming,
like
and then I'm
home.
going to roll it up and add in my new rug. But this vacuum cleaner I did purchase from Walmart is by the Eureka brand. It's actually a really good affordable vacuum cleaner. So I've been finding myself using it a lot just for my area rugs. So it even works good on hard surfaces like tile and then your wood floors and everything as well. So it has two settings on here. Absolutely love this vacuum cleaner. So if you're looking for a good affordable vacuum cleaner that won't break the bank, I highly recommend this one. So I'll leave the link down in the description box below.
It doesn't feel like home, like home, home. Feel like home. A faded mind, so we stay blind. Home.
One thing that I hate about sectionals is that when you have to rearrange or you're trying to change out your area rugs or anything, you always is the disassembling of this sofa. So you have to kind of remove all the cushions and everything off and then unhook the pieces in order to remove them so you can be able to clean and add in your new rug. So that's one thing I don't like about sectionals, because it does take some time to disassemble it and then put everything back together again. But I usually try to go in here and clean a couple of times, well, at least maybe a couple of times a month behind the sofa, because it collects all kind of food and debris and dust. So I usually try to go in and remove it and just deep clean my floors and everything and then put everything back. So in the next clip, you'll see that I went ahead and changed out this rug off camera because it was just a whole lot easier for me. But I really love the vibrant and the warmth that this new rug is adding to the space. So here's a clip of the new rug. I absolutely love it. I'll have it linked down in the description box below. I did purchase a new end table. I got this one from Amazon. This table is really high end looking. The metal is really good quality and heavy. It has a glass top at the top of it, and it has a marble base. So I absolutely love this side table. So I think it adds a really nice luxury vibe to this side of the house. And then also I added in this new lamp. I purchased this one from Home Goods, and I absolutely love the warmth of this lamp as well. It's really nice, good quality lamp. This lamp is made of metal, so I thought it was something different and unique. So I really wanted something in the warmer brown tones for this side of the house too. So I think these accessories really made a difference and brightened up the space. I also took down that wall art that I had. I wanted something different, so I found this landscape photo from Home Goods as well. I think I'm gonna add in some smaller frames around it at the side to kind of create like a mini gallery wall. So I'm gonna add in some additional pieces later on. Then also I got these pillows. The tan and white ones came from Home Goods, and then that kind of brownish one came from CB2. I'm also going to add in this throw blanket. This is one of my favorites. I had this throw blanket for years. I got this one from, I believe, Home Goods or the At Home store years ago. Super soft and comfortable, and I love the little pom-poms on it. Really nice, affordable blanket. And then the coffee table area, I'm just going to wipe it down with some Awesome and then some Lysol just to disinfect it. And then I'm just going to add in a simple floral arrangement to this table. So I'm just using this brown vase that I already had, and then I thought to add in a pop of blue in this space for spring and summer. These hydrangeas I had for years. I got from, I believe, Michael's. They're really good quality and they look like real touch hydrangeas. So I thought I'd add these to this vase for a pop of color. So moving on to the other side of this room, which is my kitchen area. I really didn't do a whole lot in my kitchen for spring and summer. I kind of left everything pretty much the same. I did change out a few pieces, like moving them around a little bit, but I really didn't purchase anything new for this side of the house. So I'm just gonna add in a nice fresh floral arrangement and light a candle really for this space. So that's what I'm gonna be doing here. So I went to my local grocery store and I picked up several different real hydrangeas, some carnations, and some different spring florals just to make a little bouquet. So I always shop my grocery store for fresh flowers because sometimes they have the best deals instead of going to an actual florist and paying for a bouquet that's cost a lot of money. You can always create your own little bouquet from your grocery store flowers and it turns out just as gorgeous. So that's what I'm doing here. The vase I already had, I believe I got that white vase from Home Goods, and then I'm just gonna add in these stems that I picked up from my local grocery store. Just keeping it really simple for this side of the house. I'm not doing too much, but I just really wanted to make the space a little bit more, add a little bit more spring touches in by adding in some fresh flowers. So that is it, you guys, for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.